Tonight, for the first time, we are hearing from the Pittsylvania County Board of Supervisors member who was accused of shoplifting from a convenience store in Altavista. Surveillance video obtained by ABC 13 from an ARCO station appears to show Tim Dudley taking packets of kratom from behind the counter and putting them into his pocket. ABC 13's Allison Mullet shares what happened inside the Campbell County Courthouse today.
This morning, Timothy Dudley pleaded not guilty with stipulation, meaning that he agreed with the evidence presented. In addition to a 12-month advisement, the judge also ordered that he pay restitution as well as complete a shoplifting class.
Well, we were pleased with the decision of the court.
During the hearing, prosecutors told the judge about the same surveillance video ABC 13 received from an Altavista convenience store. It appears to show Dudley taking kratom from the counter and putting it in his pocket. His attorney says this is a first-time offense, and Dudley's been cooperative with law enforcement.
The court took the case under advisement, so there was no finding of guilt. Basically, the case is going to be dismissed, provided he complies with the terms of the court order.
I am pleased with the outcome, and at a later date, we'll give a full statement, but I'm pleased with the not guilty. Okay? Thank you.
And talk to me a little bit about why you chose to plead not guilty today.
That's all I'm going to say right now.
You know, you are a public official. You're held to a higher standard. Do you feel like you're upholding that well?
I've told you my statement. I'm going to hold to that. Thank you.
Pittsylvania County's Code of Ethics requires members of the Board of Supervisors to follow the law, which has us asking, can Tim Dudley remain on the Board of Supervisors? I reached out to the board chair and county administrator to get answers. So just wondering if you guys had made a decision on if he will continue to serve as a member or if there'll be disciplinary action taken. Just wondering if you guys have made any decisions about what that's going to look like, if he will be removed from his position, or what the process will look like of making that decision. I haven't heard back from either. We will keep you updated as we learn more about what this means for Dudley's position on the Board of Supervisors. Reporting in Campbell County, Allison Mullet, ABC 13 News.
But I didn't know that whether he take it or no. But when I checked the camera and everything, and then I finally realized he take 2 of these and put it in a pocket, and then I called the cop.
As I said earlier, ABC 13 did obtain the security footage of the alleged shoplifting incident and spoke to that worker who says he witnessed it. We broke down the video and have more from that witness on our YouTube page. Just search Tim Dudley, WSET, and look for the video you see there on your screen.